We're in a place called Darfur. It is absolutely stunningly beautiful. It's in Eritrea. It is beautiful. There's some rude bastards that come through here, but it is nice. And I know you can't see it because of the mist, but when we got here, there wasn't any mist. So we thought this was a perfect place for our collaboration. I'm sorry. Moving on. Now, this band is called Borbo. Is that how you say it?
Boba.
Boba. What does Boba mean?
Boba means rude.
It means rude?
Yeah, like like the members are young Eritreans, like so they can express the culture with the young Eritrean people. So we call them like roots.
Oh, roots.
Yeah.
Okay, right. It means roots. Okay, good. All right. Okay. Now, Ilham, tell me about this song. What's it about?
The song is about love. It is sung by a famous Eritrean singer. He's passed away now.
What's his name?
Yamana Baria.
Yamana Baria.
It's a love song. I can say it's everybody's favorite.
Oh,
in
really?
Eritrea, yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's about the two lovers. They are away from each other, and he's telling her that he missed her so bad, and he wants her back. And to the extent that he can eat and he can sleep. He's counting days for her to come back to him. So.
Oh, bless. Do you think it's true? Do you think it happened to him?
Yeah, he does.
Oh.
Of course.
Did he have a wife?
Yeah.
It must have been for her.
Maybe.
Oh, how
I'm not sure.
romantic. That's so nice.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, do you write your own songs, Ilham?
Not yet.
Not yet? Well, this is good inspiration for it.
It is.
Okay, should we try and do it?
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. All right, Bola.
Shari
happen? Yeah? Oh, okay. I couldn't stop laughing. I know this is a sad song,
This is
but
their places.
yeah, actually we're in their way.
Yeah.
Wow. How do you say camel in this language?
What? Camel?
Yeah.
Gamel.
Oh,
It's all the same.
gemel.
Oh, you can't pass there. These are